July 17th, 1918, midnight in Yekaterinburg. The last Tsar of Russia and his family were awakened by Bolshevik guards. "We need to photograph you for safety," they were told. The Romanovs were led down to a basement. Nicholas, his wife Alexandra, their 5 children. They arranged themselves for what they thought was a photo. Instead, 11 executioners entered the room. The firing squad opened fire, but something went wrong. The bullets bounced off the children. Their corsets were lined with jewels that acted like armor. The executioners had to finish them with bayonets. For 80 years, the Soviet Union claimed the family simply disappeared. The bodies were dissolved in acid, buried in unmarked graves in the forest. Their final letters revealed growing terror, failed rescue attempts that never came. In 1991, construction workers found bone fragments. DNA testing confirmed the truth. One of history's most brutal royal executions had been covered up for nearly a century. The Romanov massacre finally had its proof.